What is up, guys? This is the Mass Reviewer, and today I'm reviewing this Honeywell thermostat. This is the RTH9585WF Smart Color Thermostat with custom color background. I do currently have this installed in my house, and we will get a look at that, but first let's go over some of the specs. We do have Wi-Fi connectivity. You can change the display color. It auto changes heat and cool if you have that set up. Your schedule your way, which means basically using their app, and alerts, which is also related to their app. This is Google Assistant certified and also works with Alexa, and I do believe it works with some of the other ones. I can't quite remember what those are at the moment. This is just showing you that you can change the color, which nobody really cares about. This is their app. It's called I think it's called Total Connect Comfort app. This is just redefining what they were talking about in the front. You can change all these settings. You got smart response, intelligent alerts, secure network. You have display options, auto change from heat to cool. Sorry for the glare, guys. But this is, you will need a C wire to install this, in case anybody was wondering. But yes, it does work with SmartThings, which is a Samsung branded like home network. I'm not sure what this one is, but apparently it's supposed to save you some money. I really didn't have my old thermostat installed long enough to see if this one actually helps with the energy bill, but I did get a $75 credit from my energy provider for signing up with an Energy Star thermostat. They had some type of promotion thing going on, so I just told them that I installed this Honeywell, and they sent me a $75 gift card. Alright, let's go check out the thermostat. Alrighty, so this is the Honeywell thermostat. I guess I'll turn the light off so you can see it better. So it does give you the outdoor temperature as well as the humidity. Yes, welcome to North Carolina, 90% humidity outside. Indoor, 68. I have it set for 68, but it also does tell you the humidity inside. So that's your home. Fan, you can put it automatic, circulate. Mode, obviously you have emergency heat, cool, off. And it's going to be hard to get this on video because of the lighting. So let's go ahead and turn that back on, I suppose. Alrighty, so you can do your schedule. You can view your schedule. Weather, which tells you whether or not you want it on or off. Vacation mode, which I guess if you leave for vacation, you can set different temperatures or blah, blah, blah. Equipment status, clean screen. You just click that when you want to clean the screen, so you can clean it without it having any touch sensitivity. Wi-Fi setup, system setup, security settings, all that fun stuff. And yeah, so I do have this set up with Alexa, which I will do a brief demonstration. Alexa, set the thermostat to 70 degrees.
The AC is set to 70.
And as you can see, it is now set to 70. So I've had this on probably for about a year, and throughout the year it has been no complaints. It's more fancier than just, your typical ones, I guess, that most people have, and I just like having the whole ecosystem of smart products, so that's why I use it. But no complaints. I definitely do recommend this one or the Google Nest to anybody looking for a smart home thermostat. Thanks for watching the video. Until next time.